stabilizer link change. This is on a Hyundai Accent 2009, but pretty much every car is the same. I have a 14 millimeter that I'm using. Basically, you just take the wheel off, and you should be able to see the top bolt for the stabilizer link, and it has another one right at the bottom. I'm using the impact to take off the screws. Sometimes you have to hold the screw in the back with pressure pliers, or sometimes they have in order to put like an open end wrench in it, because that screw that will spin, the link will spin as well when it gets old. I'm doing the bottom right now. As you can see, I have to use that pressure pliers to hold it from the back. Right there, I'm using the pressure pliers for the back. That's the way that was the only way I was able to take it out. And now I would use the jack to jack up the suspension in order to pull out the stabilizer link off. Well, right here you can see the way I jack it up, and you'll be able to see it just fall out from where it's at, and then just remove it from its position. And the opposite for is just the same reversal for installing the new one. Do that for both sides. Always, when you do one side, it's good to do both. That goes for almost everything: CV joints, ball joints, wheel bearings, pretty much everything. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.